If you are a furniture manufacturer producing solid wood flooring or a fully automatic herringbone flooring grooving machine, especially designed to meet your production needs for precision herringbone patterns. It supports positive angle, 90-degree, and reverse angle cutting, ensuring a perfect herringbone fit every time. For more machine details, go ahead with watching this video. This machine greatly improves both production efficiency and cutting accuracy, helping you achieve consistently high-quality results with minimal waste. Our factory is located in Ganzhou, Jiangxi Province from China, with convenient transportation access. With over 20 years of experience in professional woodworking machinery manufacturing, we have exported our products to more than 10 countries. To configure a machine that suits your production line, please feel free to contact us.